Hi, second graders. Happy first day of school. Hopefully by now you've been able to open your first assignment on Google Classroom that says About Me. I'm going to show you exactly how to open this assignment and how to work on it. And then at the end, I'll show you how to submit it as well. So your first and only job today is to fill out this Google form. And so in this area, if you click on the Google form, it will open a brand new tab on your computer or your laptop or your tablet or whatever you're using. So at the top it says, Welcome to second grade. It's our first day of school. Fill out this form so your teacher can get to know you a little bit. So we're hoping that when you fill this out, we'll be able to read through it and get to know you a little bit better. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click right here where it says name, and you're going to type in your name right there. After that, the next question says, how old are you? So for however old you are, you're going to click on the one that's true. So I'm not 7, so I would need to maybe type in my answer right there. But if you're 7, 8, or 9, you're going to click on one of those. What is your favorite food is what you're going to type next. So if my favorite food is cheesecake, I would type it in right there. Or I could type pizza or chocolate, whatever your favorite food is, we want you to type it in right there. For the last few questions, you're going to get to do some clicking. So it says, what is your favorite subject in school? If my favorite subject is reading, I'm going to click right on reading. If I have more than one favorite subject, I can click reading and writing, or I could click reading and math, or if I just have one favorite subject, like my favorite subject is music, I can just click 1, 2. If you don't see your favorite subject as a choice on here, you can click other and type in other right there too. But I'm going to click reading for now because it's a favorite. Next, we want to know your favorite color. So out of all these colors, which is your favorite? If you have more than one, you can click a couple of them too as well. But my favorite color is purple, so I'm going to click purple. If you don't see your favorite color and you have a different favorite color, you can click other and type it in right there as well. All right, and last but not least, it says, if you could go to one of these places, where would you choose? Now this one's kind of tricky because you can only pick one, so you have to think of your top favorite. Would you go to Disneyland, Mars, Legoland, the moon, the beach, or camping in the mountains? So you got to think of your favorite one, and I think I'd have to say I want to go to the beach because I just love going to the beach. Okay, when you've done all of that, at the very end, you want to be sure that you press submit. And when I press submit, it's going to bring me to a screen that says your response has been recorded. And it might bring you back to Google Classroom, but just in case, you're going to want to go back into here. And this is my teacher account, so it's not going to show you what it looks like. But you'll want to make sure on your screen, over here there might be a button, and it might be blue, and it might say turn in. So at the very end of filling out this form, you want to make sure that on your Google Classroom it says turned in. Okay, I hope you had fun with that, and I can't wait to see you soon.